Hello and welcome to the logic unit. 15A is the section we're covering today if you're following along in the book. Introduction to propositions. So propositions are statements which can be true, false, or indeterminate. Indeterminate, here's an example. You have an older brother. It's a true proposition for some, false for others, so it's of course indeterminate. Propositions don't have to be true to be propositions. 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's true. 7 minus 4 equals 109. That's false, but this is still a proposition. Cats are mammals. It always snows in Saigon. So this is true. This is false. Okay? Not propositions. Blue is the most beautiful color. You can't really verify that. It's not verifiable. So it's not a proposition. And do you like pancakes? Not a proposition. Doesn't make any sense as a proposition because it can't be true, false, or indeterminate. Okay? So, of course, we're going to be talking about notation on how we write propositions. They're written with an italic lowercase letter, kind of like a variable, but they're not. And the not here in front of it looks like a negative with a little line there. So when I write that, it looks like this, not P, okay? So that's just how we write it. Truth tables. We're going to be doing a lot of truth tables here in this section, in this unit, I should say. Okay, so is it raining? Well, there's two options. Either it is or it's not. So we write true and false. So this is the true and this is the false. Not P, it is not raining. If this is true, then this must be false. If this is false, then this must be true, because it's not. It's the opposite of this one. Okay, so that's a super small truth table. We're going to be building larger ones later, but that's just a little sample for you. And then finally, last part of this section, I should say, the specificity of negation. I just want to make it clear that if the proposition is, for example, it is raining in London, the negation it is not raining in London. You don't introduce new vocabulary. You don't say it's sunny in London, because it may or may not be sunny. Okay? So that is the idea. That's what the negation is. You just say not in the actual proposition. Okay? So I hope that was helpful for you, and we'll see you next time. Toodles.